Good morning, traders. Welcome to the channel. My name is Justice, and this is Call to Trade, right? You are in the channel Call to Trade, and don't be shy. If it's your first time, subscribe, right? Like as well, and you can share the video as well to those to your loved ones, right? So this is part two. Sorry, didn't mean to drop that. This is part two of this London session, right? This is part two of this London session. So if you just jumped in right now, there is a previous video before this. Go check it out. It's about maybe 8 to 9 minutes. And we took this trade live from there all the way going down, right? We took the trade live. So, yeah, if you are here for the first time, again, don't be shy. Note, right? Anything that you learn or you see on this channel is not financial advice. I am not regulated by any financial board or the FSCA, right? So, yeah, this is all just for educational and entertainment purposes only, right? So, since we are here now, let's see if there is anything else that London might have for us, right? If there is anything else that London might have for us, that's what we want to see now here, right? Okay, I want to check if I'm audible. So will you just give me a second? Okay, I am audible. Awesome. All right, guys. So we are here now. We want to see if there's anything else London might give us, right? If there is, sharp. If there isn't, there's no need for us to be here. I think I could just spend the remaining of my day documenting. I mean, I know we just got started, but today was just, if I have to explain to you today how beautiful it was, in fact, from last night um, all the way to now. In fact, I don't know. If I say last night, even from the day before that, everything has just been going well. It's been beautiful. So, but today in the morning, woke up early, but I'd already ironed earlier on last night. In fact, I ironed last night, and then um, after that we prayed. Then yeah, I left. So I left at home around 6:40. Yeah, I would say 6:40 maybe. 6:45, 6:40 around there. That's the time I actually had left. Then um, what happened is I then took a. I was just lucky. The text that just came there, I saw it, and it happened to be the one that's going my way, and then like here to work, right? And yeah, usually I wait for 40 minutes even, right? If I'm waiting for a taxi, but this one was just nice and quick. So yeah, that was actually nice. Then also it was full, so you didn't have to take the full round. You just took a shortcut straight here and arrived here about 30 at 7:45. No, no, not 7:45. 7:20. Arrived here around 7:20. So by half past, I was already seated and I was analyzing, right? So um, yeah, that's the nice thing that took place already. And then the trade we took here, and yeah, which is just neat, right? So I'll be honest with you. If you look at how London has been so far, guys, London has been impulsively impulsive. This is the trade for yesterday we took, which is also beautiful. I'm gonna remove it now. got in there, went out there, got in here, got in here. In fact, got in there, went out, and then went back in here, and then went in there, and then went out there. Right. Today, went in there, went out there, which is nice. Which is very nice. The trade was less than 9 minutes. So cool. We are here now. We want to see if um, Sensor Tobe. Yes, yes, my brother. It is a good morning already. I can see it's already a good morning. Yeah, it is a good morning, my brother. It is. So let's uh let's keep up and see if there's anything else, right? For the day. So that was yesterday's trade. This is today's one. So I'm just gonna remove those arrows. We'll put them when it's time or when we need them. Fine. Looking at just give me a second there. I want to have a look at looking at gold, right? Uh, I had a potential setup here with 30. Oh, it doesn't miss me. So let's just see. A potential buy with US30. So let me show you US30 here. What am I seeing here with US30? Potential buy with US30. With US30, I'm seeing a potential. Don't confuse the word potential. So I'm like, where is here potentially buying? But I am trying to see if there is a confirmation. Otherwise, we will not get in the trade, right? There's no need to be not get in the trade if there isn't. Because there was a sell, a short-term sell, but mm, mm. In fact, I'm supposed to be inside the drop from here going down here, but it's fine. I can't consider that as a missed setup because it's a setup that is um, okay. Just give me a second, guys. I want to analyze here a bit. So let me remove that. Like I said, it's potential. This needs a confirmation in order for it to work out. If we take out the low, then we'll get a confirmation that we should not be part of the trade. So let me just make sure. I want to make sure I'm audible. Today I'm using different, wearing a different jacket today. So we'll leave it like this here. Um, um, okay. Let's just go over real quick, right? Let's start off maybe with US 100, with US 100, and then so we can have an idea. Yeah, London today was beautiful. This was a beautiful move to be part of, and I'm glad we didn't eat everything, but we ate what we ate. We are happy with it. We are happy with it, right? Excuse me. Um, okay, so daily time frame. If you look at daily time frame, we are nothing much I can tell. Yeah, we've taken our previous daily high here, but we'll see that in the lower time frame when we put our cycles. So what we're seeing here, we've got price that went in here, went out. This is definitely yesterday because of that I think PPI, then the PPI month to month, and then we went up there. So from there, we're just trying to look and see our time frame. We look like we are impulsive. And then I think with 30 we are going to buy this. I'm now seeing my buy, my confirmation take place here. Where is it here? Yeah, 30, I am seeing a buy, a confirmation buy taking place here. So let me just see if I can get in the trade before it leaves me out. Um, so 30, 30, I think about 30, it's not as volatile. That's what I'm going to say, right? It doesn't give much of a move when it chooses to move. So there's maintenance happening. So I don't want me to paper trade anymore. Okay. Um, I just want to see something here. Get another one here. Do this here. So 30. I'm only gonna risk this $200 here that we've just made, right? That's what I'm gonna risk with 30, so that we see if we're gonna be inside the trade or not. About the $200, nothing much. So this is here, PX. Let's go here and then you put this one. Okay. So it looks like we are moving up with 30. Paper trading just said it is maintenance, so um, let's see if that's gonna work. So I'm expecting just a potential move up a bit with 30. So as you can see now, like I said, I'm a bit more consecutive now. I'm not gonna be risking as much with that side. The account on top is the one that is the account on top is the what do you call it? It is the challenge, and then the one on the bottom is the funded account. So let's see, the funded account, we are just left with about close to 500 to pass the account. So okay, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so 30, we are kind of, I think we'll be able to see more here if I go in the 3. Yeah, I'm looking forward for price to actually go up. So if we can take out this high and potentially even go further high, a few standard deviations up, I think that will be fine. But let's see. Let's see. So we wanted to go up and take out this high and go. Let me put a standard deviation here and show you what the standard deviation is. So from somewhere here, so the other way to there. So you need to be somewhere here. So 30, I'm expecting it to come here and then potentially there. But again, I am not going to be part of all that move there. I am just here to take what's on the plate. That's all. That's what I'm here for. I'm here just to take what's on the plate. And also, I don't know why this paper trading is not saying maintenance. Let me just reload this here. Still maintaining, so it's fine. 30, just visually imagine that we actually got in around, let's see, somewhere here, I think. Stop loss is just around, yeah, just below, yeah. Then we are targeting around, yeah. Let's see. Okay, I want to make sure I've got my stop losses, so I don't want surprises, eh? So, so we are buying, so I'm gonna put a sell stop. Okay, man. Put it on both sides, not just one. We're buying, so I'm gonna put a sell stop. Okay. Let's see if we've got them. Stop losses are in place, everything's in place, so yeah, we don't want surprises like we said. So let's see. Looks like we're dropping a little bit, but yeah, it's fine. Let's see. Got that. Q. I have an area where I am, as a, it will confirm to me even before we actually hit our stop loss. It's an area whereby if price actually trades there, it will actually have confirmed to me if we are going to still be in the trade or not. Right, so just have to wait and see. I don't know. This guy that just chose to start doing maintenance. Hmm? Out of the blue, they're starting to do maintenance. Okay. Because they usually do send a message out if they are going to do any form of maintenance. So, okay. So I'm just having a look at other keys now. I'm looking at US 100, US 100, the way it bought. Yeah, US 100 bought. It's NASDAQ, the way it bought, eh? Mm, caught up in the range. I wasn't expecting us to be in a range. The setup usually I'm not given a range outcome. So I'm actually ready to go out even before everything hits, if it does confirm to me if we're going out. All right. It's not loading here. It's lagging a bit. Let's see. But at least my stop loss is there. So, okay, my stop loss has got taken out. But fun enough, we're not even yet there. But yeah, my stop loss did get taken out. Okay, it's fine, guys. That's good. That's good. I am still happy for London. I'm still happy for London's outcome so far. I'm glad my stop loss is also in place. Um, Looking at what we have here. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. Otherwise, I think I'll be done for my London. I have my London finish up without, I don't need to do anything else. Okay, so this one so here, just the way it is there, we'll see if there's anything else. Gold, 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 gold. We've had all of this impulsive move, right? So I'm trying to see if we do have a reason why we're even doing what we're doing, or we're just going up for no reason, right? Um, I guess the team is going back up now again. So close to charge. Yeah, I wouldn't know. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay. So I'm trying to see if this retracement is a serious retracement, or is it just playing games with us, right? Um, so I'm trying to have a look at here, but I can't see much here. So it's fine. 30 is looking like, I hope our stop loss is not too tight. That's what I'm going to say. It's looking like it is going back, but I'm not going to go into it. It's fine. I'm not going to go into it. It's okay. Um, okay. Um, okay. Give me a second here. We'll have a look at 30 now and confirm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. This year, my trade idea is no longer valid for me. It's been taken out, so it's fine. Something let me just double check here with this guy. Okay. Okay. Let me just keep it here at the face of what we took here. Something that will be encouraging. Something that's encouraging. Oh, can't be, we're not logged in, right? Since about maintenance, it's fine. Gold there's a potential of either retracing, right, or reversing. But that needs a lot more details than we have right now. We don't really have much. We have Beverly Gap here, but it's just a Beverly Gap. Like, what does it mean, right? It needs to be high probability. It needs to be high probability. So I'm just double checking something here. Okay. Yeah, wait. Oh, wait. So with 30, what I'm seeing, the reason why we even went into profits is because I'm seeing now that this was a retracement set up. So like, yeah, it's a short-term retracement. Price coming here and retracing, right? Um, that's where again I always say the skill is knowing the difference between a retracement and a reversal. Hence, it even went a bit into profits, and then now we are going back down to reverse. So that I'm not saying we're going down. Let me keep it there. I'm not saying, but there was a retracement. If it was a reversal, of course, we would have a price go all the way up, right? So that's fine. With 30, I'm saying 30 gold. Um, there are quite a few things that are needed for us to consider even gold. Um, First of all, it's supposed to take out this high here. And then, okay, with gold, I think I'm seeing a potential short, guys, a potential sell with gold. This is my last trade, and then I'm done for London, right? This will be my last trade, then I'm done for London. Yeah. So gold, I'm seeing a potential sell from. So if we take our Fibonacci from there to here, we can see we're in a very important area here. Right, so let me sell gold there. Sell gold here. Now this is my last trade for the day. So let's see. Okay. So my stop losses, I don't want any surprises. Okay, I think see if we don't do this here. I think I'm gonna end it here. Let's see, wait, my stop loss is not yet there. It's not yet by my stop loss. Let's see. It's very close to my stop loss. So I don't want to go out and then reverses. So I want to make sure it's there by my stop loss. I think it may have violated for me. Let's see, 1, 2, blah, blah. Okay, I'm going out. Straight took most of our profits for today. Now I hope it doesn't reverse now after this year. Don't tell me when I'll choose to reverse this guy. Let's see. Do we even have this here? No. Okay, I'm done, guys. I'm gonna stop it here for now. I am done. I'll come back in New York. I'll come back in New York. I'll come back in New York. I think I'm over trading now, so we'll stop the session for you. All right, guys. See you in New York. It's a good day already, so let's see what more we can do. Let's see what more we can do. Okay, guys. We'll communicate. We'll see you in New York, and thank you for joining the stream. In fact, let me rate myself. Let me actually rate myself before we go. Let me rate myself, because if I do rate myself, I'll be able to see if there's anything else we can learn from this here, right? So we can have something to actually look forward to. VS code. Okay, what are we looking for here? 7 p.m. start. Okay, I'm gonna rate myself and then we can end this session here. Okay, I think you can see my screen. Let me make it a bit wider so you can see. Yeah. So, did we pray? Yes, we did. Did we trade documented setup? Yes, we did. Did we risk according to plan? Yes, we did. Took the correct number of trades. That's good. Follow the mechanical and discretionary rules. Yes, we did. It traded a stop loss to take profits. Yes, it did. Traded on a very day. Hmm. But we didn't go through the economic calendar, but we do know that we don't have any big news. We don't have anything else. We only have this core retails and unemployment claims, which is good, which means it's a good day, right, to actually trade. So that's good. Proceed. Now, this is yesterday, and I know today we actually did not as good as yesterday. We did not do as good as yesterday. Punctuality was on point. Setup execution for both, I'll give them a B. Yeah, I'll give them a B. First trade, the one I did in London, was a beautiful execution, but it's still not where I wanted to get in. But it was a good trade. It was a good trade. So I'll give it a B. Discipline, therefore, can't be an A, right? Missed any setups? No. No. Channeling, I haven't journaled yet, so I can get a B for that. Therefore, B discipline can be B as well. So if we look at what we have here, let me just put my notes here. With the I over traded after a good after the first good trade. Okay, so therefore my discipline must be C. But yeah, I don't think so warrant me a strike, guys. It's just one C. I think if I've got two C's, that's when I'll, yeah. So let's do that there. Okay, actually no strike. I've got my grade is B, so it's not bad. My punctuality was tops today. Tops, 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 tops. Amount of trade. If I missed any setup, no, there's no setup. I actually missed. Yeah, tops as well. Good. Um. Okay, I'm seeing what to journal actually. Yeah, my journaling. It's probably gonna improve now because I know what I'm gonna do after end the stream here. My discipline compared to yesterday was not so good. So I dropped on these 2 points. Hence I got 21 points. Yesterday I had what is it? What's the day yesterday again? Today 17. This day. Yesterday I had 23 points. So yesterday I had 23 points. Today I've got 21 points. So I dropped by 2 points. I need to improve on that. I need to actually make sure I do improve on that. Okay. I do remember that too. Yeah. Okay. No, all of those things are just popping up in my head. It's just things I need to go and work on right now. But we'll meet in New York, and yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining, and I will meet in New York again.